The driveway's flooding too. I think. Whoa. That's gonna be a loud one. Good thing they put those. Oh jeez. I think who was it?
It's like overflowed our gutters.
Look at it, Kyle. Right there, it's overflowing everywhere. I'm pretty sure Jordan's mom knew it was coming because they put sandbags in their driveway.
Yeah, okay.
I want it to happen again. This is the most. Whoa! Kyle, that's gonna be a loud one. Oh. I'm trying to get one.
We're sitting underneath a puddle now.
This is the kind of storm that would make the cats run away. Because that's what happened to Patches. After a massive windstorm that blew over like branches off of trees, he ran away because he was super scared. I want to catch a massive flash on camera. Maybe I could stand back more. Another big kaboom. Oh, here comes a car. I wonder if that massive tower over there is gonna get hit by lightning. Whoa, was that just one? Because if it was, I think I just caught it on camera. Hopefully. Whoa, that was a flash. Told you. See, Max is barking over there. Oh, there's a little bit of sun over there. Okay. Well, it's probably gonna get worse. Wait.